Welcome to Shy's 13 Random Facts, where we pick anyone, anywhere, or anything and find 13 random facts about it. Then we share those facts with you. In this edition of Shy's Random Facts, you'll be hearing two sets of voices. Don't be alarmed. There is actually two of us today. Crystal has joined us in a collaboration for this one.
My name is Crystal, and I'm super excited to hang out today. Knowledge is power. You can never have too much fuel for the water cooler conversation. If you have something you'd like us to find 13 random facts about, throw it down in the comments, and I can guarantee you that he will make it happen. Before we get started, please, if you haven't already, hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Do it!
So today we are going to learn 13 random facts about the person Tim Burton.
He's definitely my favorite.
So sit back, relax, and grab yourself something to drink. We do hope you are enjoying our Halloween series. Okay, Crystal, what facts would you like to start with today? Take it away.
Number 1. As a student at CalArts, Burton made the shorts Stalk of the Salary Monster and King and Octopus. Stalk of the Salary Monster attracted the attention of Walt Disney Productions' animation division, which offered Burton an animator's apprenticeship at the studio. Number 2. After Frankenweenie was completed, Disney fired Burton under the pretext of him spending the company's resources on doing a film that would be too dark and scary for children to see. Far stretch from the Disney movies, the princess movies. Our second fact here is pretty funny, considering what happened 30 years later. Do you know?
And speaking of 30 years later, number 3, 30 years after being fired from Disney for creating the movie Frankenweenie, on the company's resources, they hired him back to direct the full-length feature movie of Frankenweenie. How's that for justice being served?
Feel free to share this video with your friends. Spread the word and get more people over here. The more the merrier. It's always better in a group.
Number 4, in 1990, Tim Burton co-wrote and directed Edward Scissorhands, reuniting with Winona Ryder from Beetlejuice. His friend Johnny Depp, a teen idol, was cast in the title role of Edward.
While researching Tim Burton, there were so many facts. He wanted to say them all, but we don't have all day, so he threw in as much as he could and as little time as possible.
So I hope you enjoy this video, and you're welcome. Well, that's it for me. Let's see what Crystal has for us now.
Number 5. A lot of famous names were attached to Edward Scissorhands. 20th Century Fox wanted Tim Burton to cast Tom Cruise in the title role, but it never materialized. Tom Hanks was also offered the part, but turned it down to make the flop Bonfire of the Vanities. Michael Jackson reportedly wanted the role. Eventually, Tim Burton cast Johnny Depp into the lead role. Number 6. President Obama asked Tim Burton to help him throw a Halloween party at the White House in 2009. Burton designed the room to look like the fantastical tea party from Alice in Wonderland.
That would have been cool, I think.
He even convinced Johnny Depp to show up in costume and in character as the Mad Hatter.
Number 7. Tim Burton designed a balloon for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade and called it B-Boy. He even went so far as to make a backstory for it.
If you haven't been there yet, go check out the other channel, Shy's Daily Trivia. There's some trivia over there. It's all about this video here. There's also a whole bunch of other random topics for you to choose from to test your skills with. Go check it out.
Number 8. Before she was Miley Cyrus, she was Destiny Cyrus. The young star played Ruthie in Tim Burton's sentimental fantasy flick, Big Fish. Burton was the first exec to cast the future superstar in a feature film. And we all know what happened later. So if you happen to know a few facts that aren't on this list, please feel free to share them below with us. Let us know what they are. I'd really like to hear from y'all. Now over to Crystal to see what info she has for us next.
Number 9. Tim Burton has an estimated net worth of $113.3 million. Tim Burton's ability to produce hits with low budgets impressed the studio executives, and he received his first big budget film, Batman. Good movies don't always have to have a big budget to make money, as the masterful Tim Burton has proven time and time again. Number 10. Tim Burton received the project of Beetlejuice in 1988, a supernatural comedy horror about a young couple forced to cope with their life after death, and the family of pretentious yuppies who invade their treasured New England home.
And I must say, I enjoyed the movie, so if you haven't seen the movie, you should go check it out.
Make sure you come back tomorrow for some more random What? Make sure you come back tomorrow for some more random facts. Bring your friends, bring your mom, bring your dog. We'd love to have you all here with us. We love big groups.
Number 11. As a preteen, Burton would make short films in his backyard, using crude stop-motion animation techniques or shoot them on 8mm film without sound. One of his oldest known juvenile films is The Island of Dr. Agor, that he made when he was 13 years old. So let me know in the comments below if any of these facts surprised you. Personally, I'm surprised every day. So, no sense me telling you they surprised me because I'm just a surprised person. Number 12. Tim Burton brings art supplies with him everywhere he goes because he is always drawing his fantastic ideas.
He has a lot of sketchbooks, but if he doesn't have access to one, he will use tissues, napkins, even walls to draw on.
So if he comes to visit you, make sure he has paper around or he's drawing on your walls.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Number 13. Instead of using computer-animated graphics, Tim Burton had 40 squirrels trained to crack nuts in the scene where Veruca Salt goes down the garbage chute in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
And every time I read that or hear about that, it makes me laugh. I mean, it would have been so easy just to go computer animated. But he literally trained 40 squirrels. Go figure.
That's it. That's all that made it into the video today. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we see you there.
So I would like to thank Crystal for joining us today, and hopefully she will be back soon for another collaboration with me.
Have yourselves a great day. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye for now.